Welcome to the unboxing and installation video of the Bosch 3-phase electric water heater. When opening the box, you'll find the quick install guide along with the full installation and operating manual. After removing the front fascia panel, you'll find the single fixing screw which attaches the front casing. When removing the front casing, note that the control panel is not as yet plugged in. Inside the appliance you will find the accessory pack. Inside the pack you'll find fibre washers, wall plugs and screws, the Bosch fixing system, optional brass fittings for the hot and cold water connections, and 2 spare setting jumpers. For ease of installation, the hydraulic block has been cleverly designed to be detached from the mounting panel. Simply clear the inlet and outlet connections away from the lower panel, and by pulling aside the 2 fixing points, allows for the whole block to be lifted away. This leaves you with a lightweight rear panel ready for mounting. The panel has been conveniently made of a tough, transparent plastic. These areas are free drilling zones, meaning the space can be safely used for screwing and mounting purposes if required. There are also pre-stamped retrofit points, which match with other common European brands, allowing for simple changeovers without the need of altering pipework. This section is for use with the supplied Bosch fixture. It contains a removable guide for precise marking of the mounting point. This section shows how to mount the unit using the supplied fixture. When mounting, always ensure the unit is level. Using the guide, mark your fixing point and then remove the guide from the rear panel. Separate the 3 fittings and attach the first section to the wall using a secure, suitable method relevant to your mounting surface. There is also a handy option if required to offset the unit away from the wall. This allows for rerouting of pipes or cables. Use the second fitting to set the required distance from the wall. On the bottom of the panel you'll find 2 spacers. And on the rear of the panel, the screwdriver tool for the spacers. These are used to stabilise the appliance. The spacers are designed to be secured to the wall using the supplied screws. Mark their location to prepare the wall with wall plugs if required. Using the spacer tool, screw the spacer into the required depth, ensuring that the unit is straight. To refit the hydraulic block, simply place the bottom section in first and push back into position. The side clips will click, locking the block into place. Here we'll be using the 8500 version, which like the 7000 has the Aquastop feature. Our 4000 model does not come with the Aquastop. The accessory pack comes with a choice of options for the water connections. The brass T-fittings can be used for either vertical or horizontal pipe installations. If using the brass T-fittings for a horizontal connection, there are caps supplied to block the unused vertical connection. If using the T-fitting for a vertical connection, use the supplied plugs to block the horizontal connection. The front casing is equipped with knockouts if required for vertical pipework. There's the option of 3 different positions to choose from for the connection terminal. There's the default position, the second lower position for shorter cables, and if using this option, ensure that the conduit is clear of the front casing fixing point located here. And there's also an upper position option at the top of the appliance. The panel containing the penetrations for the lower electrical connections can be moved for easier cable installation. Before fitting the front cover, if the unit has the Aquastop, remove the orange protection device. The spare jumpers can be stored within the unit. And remember to connect the display panel. During the first operation, a function called cool rinse will be performed. This ensures all air has been expelled from the water lines before activating the heating elements. Open a hot water tap with a minimum flow of 3.5 litres per minute. The function usually takes about 30 seconds to perform. After this function, minimum water flow rate is 2.5 litres per minute. During the cool rinse function, the icon on the 4000 series will start flashing. On the 7000 series, the white LED and 0 degrees will flash on the screen. The 8500 will also have a white flashing LED as well as the words cool rinse on the display. Once the cool rinse function is complete, the unit will start heating the water. This concludes the video of the unboxing and installation of the Bosch Tronic 3-phase hot water system.